from the 7 Storm Team. Your first alert weather with meteorologist Ben Terry.
Now from our Westlake Sky Camp coming up over the horizon. There it is right there coming up over toward the east and beautiful sunrise. It is 76 degrees now, and we're going to see a lot of sun here over the next few hours before that threat of a few afternoon downpours. Tropical depression Fiona, let's get right to the tropics, heating up now. This is actually fizzling out. In fact, look at the satellite imagery here. This is just not much left of Fiona. This may be off the map here before midweek. As Fiona fizzles, we have another area here of thunderstorm activity that we're watching. Very disorganized. This is Invest number 99L, which is just an area that Hurricane Center will be watching for potential for development over the next 5 days. They've given it a medium 40% chance this could become a tropical system over the next 5 days. At least in the short term, it is not forecast to strengthen or become organized at this point. In 90L, this is another area here that's closer to Africa that has been area labeled for an area of investigation. This one actually is a pretty robust tropical wave. 90% chance this will become Gaston today or tomorrow by the Hurricane Center. Good news is with that one is that, yes, it will be stronger, but it will be heading out to sea, taking a similar track as Fiona. What we'll have to pay attention to is this weaker area of low pressure that may develop over the short term. This is 99L, and some of the preliminary computer models here, of course, keep in mind, don't put a lot of attention or a lot of weight onto these at this point, because when there's yet to be a system to develop, they do struggle with placement and where that would put that in the future. But at this point, if we could see it hold together or develop at all, the placement here could be somewhere near the Bahamas toward the end of the work week, into the weekend. If it does survive that push, there's a chance here in the longer range it could encounter some conditions, better conditions for what could be some development here. So we'll watch it. 99L, though, will be perhaps closer to the U.S. and be more of a threat if it can't hold together. Weather watchers in the 70s this hour. 74 in Moss Bluff, 72 in Singer. Faith Poe received 2 inches of rain yesterday. Lake Arthur also received about 1 3/4 inches there from Teresa Lyons, who lives in Thornwell. Some rain popping up there. She said they even had more than that in the downtown Lake Arthur area yesterday as those storms popped up. Front to our north, in fact, is weakening across central Louisiana, sort of dividing that cooler air. And yes, it is cooler. Look at this right now. 52 in Fayetteville, Arkansas, 59 in Kansas City. Jacket weather to our north. We need a front in a severe way. It's just not going to make it all the way down to our coast. That's going to sort of block that cooler air from making its push our direction. So more of the same. Summertime heat. Afternoon storms today could be the result of that, but going no more than a 40% rain chance because of that front that to our north is beginning to fizzle out. Most of what we would see would come from the sea breeze that will develop today. Could bring a few storms our way. As this front fizzles, tomorrow is actually looking to be a little drier. We'll carry about a 20% rain chance for Tuesday and Wednesday. All of that coming as a result of what could be just a sea breeze type pop-up shower or storm. So good news there, the fact that we're going to be dealing with less rain. If you do get caught under one of those storms, though, you may pick up a quick inch of rain. That's just going to be the way things play out for the next few days. By Thursday and Friday, the chance of rain goes back up a bit. That's for those afternoon storms that will return to the area. So at least you're not talking 90 and 100% rain chances every day. It's back to more of our normal pattern that we see in summer.
Yeah. Okay. All right, then 6:51.